Hi there, I'm Jennifer Tryon. I'm going to show you how to take a coat that's too small for your kids and turn it into a coat for your dog. Just look how cute it is. For this project, you'll need an old jacket, some sweatshirt cuff, regular sewing supplies. I used my serger, but you can use your regular sewing machine too. You're going to cut off the arms of the coat with a rotary cutter and ruler, but you can also use just regular scissors. Make sure you measure your dog around the belly and from the collar to the tailbone so that you know your jacket is wide enough. Make sure you leave a lot of the sewing intact. This is going to keep your jacket looking professional. Open it up, and then I want you to find the center points sort of on like where the breastbone is, and just take something circular and measure out 2 circles on the front of the coat. I'm just using this spray can that we had handy so that everything would be nice and round, and kind of guess how big your dog's leg is and make sure that the hole is big enough. So I'm using big, sharp fabric scissors for this because I'm going through all the layers of the coat. And then I'm just taking sweatshirt cuff. Now you could upcycle a sweatshirt. This is cuff that I bought on a roll and it's super cute. And I just measured the diameter of the circle and made sure when my sweatshirt cuff was folded in half that it went across. And then I just serged it. And then turned it right side out. And then I'm going to insert it into the hole. And now I'm pinning the sweatshirt cuff to the hole, and then I'm going to serge all the way around. The reason why I decided to use the serger instead of this regular sewing machine for this project is to maintain that sweatshirt cuff stretch. This is going to make it a little bit easier for your dog to move, and the stitches won't break because, of course, that serging maintains the stretch. Looks a little funny like that, but it's perfect for the dog. Now you just close it back up, right sides together, and then just sew down the side seams. It really couldn't be easier. And you can see there on the right, the serger is trimming as it's overlocking those edges, so everything stays nice and straight. And that's it. Presto, a too small coat upcycled into a doggy jacket. And I gotta say, our little honey loves wearing it.
Ready? Ready, honey? Hold on.
The key to having this looking so good is to make sure you keep so much of the original jacket intact. This way, your doggy coat is gonna look very professional. Thanks for watching. I'm Jennifer Tryon.